Hello and welcome to this My Ground Force tutorial. On this tutorial we will cover the new maintenance module for Non-TruckSpy users. So if you're a My Ground Force customer and have a TruckSpy account and subscription, please see the other tutorial where we cover the maintenance module for TruckSpy customers. So the first thing that we will do here is open the new maintenance module. So for that we will go to Vehicles and the submenu item Maintenance, and we'll start on Configurations. So when we open Configuration, we see here Parameter for scheduled maintenance. So this first configuration has to deal with how you want to see maintenance items approaching their scheduled maintenance. So for instance, if I want a maintenance item to be shown on yellow on the calendar that we'll see later on the schedule maintenance menu option, when it's approaching the due maintenance and it's missing 2,500 miles to hit the targeted maintenance mileage, it's gonna show this item on yellow. And once it's approaching 45 days before the maintenance target date for that maintenance item, it's gonna show on yellow on the scheduled maintenance screen. Moving on, we have vehicle maintenance groups. So in case you want to create more than one maintenance group, so for instance, if you have two different maintenance schedules for different truck manufacturers, you can add or rename the default maintenance group that already comes in My Ground Force, and you can assign different maintenance items with different mileage and days for those maintenance items to be completed according to manufacturing standards or your organization's procedures. So with My Ground Force, we bring you one default maintenance group, and you can always go and edit this. With the selected default maintenance group here, we have it attached to all vehicles on the vehicle registry for this company. However, I can select which vehicles I want this maintenance group to be assigned to, in case I want it to be assigned to only certain vehicles. And this is shown here on this list by tractor. I need to make sure also that the status is active for this maintenance group that I'm using, and then once I make sure of that, I go and click on save. And with this default maintenance group, we bring you A, B, C, and D PM maintenance schedules, which are preventive maintenance schedules that we have brought to you as a way to enrich your maintenance procedures and also we have those standard forms and brief explanation on how those work on an article on My Ground Force Academy, which you can access at mygroundforce.com. and click on the My Ground Force Academy top menu icon. Besides the A, B, C, and DPM schedules, we have braking system, engine, exhaust system, fuel system, steering mechanism, and suspension. And those you can change their parameters on when they are due on each of your tractors and vehicles by clicking on the edit button here. On this case, we will use the suspension for this example, so we can go over here. Then we can even change the name, the assigned maintenance group, and when they are due. In this case, this example is set to 500,000 miles, but I can also change this between days and engine hours. So we'll leave this like that for now. Next, we'll cover schedule maintenance tab. So when we go to the schedule maintenance menu icon, we have the first screen showing the schedule maintenance tab, which shows a grid of all of my vehicles and each of the maintenance items assigned for each of the vehicles. Since I have only one, the full maintenance group, I only see the same items here. However, if I had more than one maintenance group, I could go over here and select it over here. I can also filter by vehicle, by tractor number, and I can show all, only near due, which are the ones in yellow that we set on the configuration screen, or only the ones overdue. Next, we have a calendar view. On this calendar view, I have the same filters here at the top: maintenance group, vehicle, show only near due or overdue items. I also have, for the month of January 2022, I can see this by the month, or I can have the agenda view where it shows all the items for this date period here on a list. And then next we have maintenance update. On this tab, the system is gonna allow me to log out all the maintenance performed for each of the vehicles. So for instance, if I have performed maintenance for this vehicle over here, I go over here and select it, and then I can update status and the odometer reading, for instance. And then I select the maintenance date in this example and save it. And then once I save it, the system is gonna create another maintenance record for this vehicle over here. Okay, so if I filter now, status new, see it's showing me over here a new maintenance item for braking system. And then I can do this for one item at a time. And then if I want to update the odometer field, I need to go on this next tab, odometer update tab. And then on this tab, I have several filtering options over here that I can use to search for a specific vehicle using their tractor number. And I can download a template that makes it easier for me to update all my vehicles' odometer at one time. So if I go ahead and open this template, The template already comes with all my active vehicles, meaning status up or down. If I have a vehicle with status showing as inactive, then I need to go ahead and select the status or up or down to show on this list. So if I want to update the odometer, go ahead and enable editing, and then over here I can update the odometer. Okay, so once I have updated my vehicle's odometer on the spreadsheet, I'm going to go ahead and click save as. I'm going to select CSV type. I'm going to fill odometer update January 20th 2022. So I'm going to go ahead and click save. Once I have saved the file, I can go ahead and import the file on my ground force. So with this file already saved, go ahead and close it. Then I go to import, choose file, odometer update, open, and save. The system was able to update. So once we've covered the last tab on the schedule maintenance feature, we're gonna go and show the notifications part. So we're gonna go to settings, notifications, and now we have a brand new notification on my ground force, maintenance expiration. So we're gonna just see it. We're gonna go ahead and click under actions, edit, and then we have a default rules that we have inserted here. So they are: when an item is due to expire, 20 to 10 days before it expires, it's gonna notify by email twice a week the users or email addresses that I've listed under actions that we're gonna open. And before 1,500 miles to 1,000 miles, it's gonna notify me twice a week also by email. I can add more rules if I want to. We're gonna review this one, so I'm gonna go ahead under actions, edit. So you can see here the period of days that we've set if we have maintenance items based on days, and if we have maintenance items that are due to expire within a mileage range. Use this. You need to make sure that the status is set as active for the notifications that I want to active in the system. Notice frequency. This is set twice a week. I can do it every day, monthly, twice a week, or weekly. Then I can also notify users by text message. Of course, they're gonna be listed in my profile. And then email users with profile, distribution list that I configured under settings, specific employees or specific email addresses that I list over here. So save this. So this is it for this tutorial. Please let us know if you have further questions to use this maintenance module. Remembering that this is a tutorial for my ground force customers without a TruckSpy account. In case you do have a TruckSpy account, we recommend you to use the feature of my ground force that integrates with your TruckSpy account to have all your data migrated to my ground force and we have a specific video tutorial for that we're gonna link to this video. Please let us know what other features and topics you'd like to see on this video series. Thank you for watching, and thanks for using my ground force.